This morning, I'm going to walk you through my setup for this morning. This is NQ. I'm currently on the 1 minute chart. I'm going to go to my indicators. I'm going to select Smart Money Concepts by Lux Algo. I'm going to go over, drop down, go to settings. I'm going to go to daily, weekly, and monthly highs and lows. And I'm also going to select premium discount zone and hit OK. That's going to give me these levels. That's going to give me my zones on a 1 minute chart. I'm going to switch over to the 15 minute. Also with this setup, I can use William Alligator for direction. As you can see, we have price bouncing off the middle of that range. Also, we have the Williams Alligator indicator. What I would be looking for is the price to break this high here to continue up. But if I see a failure here at this level and a break below this zone here, I look for price to continue lower. Possibly go back and retest here. That setup. Also, DIY custom indicator. Go to settings. I'm gonna unselect all these check mark. I'm gonna select EMA, supply and demand. On the EMA, I'm only gonna select the 200. And that's it. And that is my setup that I will be using this week. And sometimes for direction, I might go and add on the alligator indicator. As well as option series by option series. And it's just a color indicator with volume. To make it easier to determine when volume comes into the market. And that will be my setup for the week. If you have any questions, need any help with anything, Feel free to reach out to me. That's all I have for you guys right now. I'll catch you on the next one.